temporary roof strip this morning. Nothing too substantial. A couple of airs and it'll be down. Oh, that's sketchy, isn't it? Joys of scaffolding, eh? Need danger money for this.
Too bad for £10 extra.
So, Liam's just ordered an £85 pair of Crocs that holds a beer, fags, a vape, and whatever those other things are.
That's some fags. Mate, I fucking can't wait.
You alright, mate?
Mate, it's summertime. I'm gonna be whacking
Money well spent, yeah?
Money well spent. They're gonna be barbecue weather indeed. Boy! Get the
Second job of the day. Get some boards up on that lift, get it railed off. Maybe put a second lift on that stack, and that'll be it for the day. Sun's out, blue skies, lovely. Lovely stuff.
Time to stop.
Early
Let's
finish.
get the pubs on the go.
Someone's excited to finish work today. Home time. Lovely stuff.